Right, folks. Well, been getting a motor torque fault error on this here litter robot. So this video is going to show you how to replace this motor assembly here. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to turn her off and unplug it, and then we'll get that bonnet off of there and get the orb out. Alright, so that's what we're dealing with back here. First of all, we're going to use our screwdriver. Should be the only tool you need, and we'll get these couple of screws out. Yeah, probably need a smaller tip to it. That's what she said. Missing one. Oh, are there a couple in here too? Okay, there's 4 altogether. You can still see that? Not really. Here we go. Okay, 4 screws. Get this off the motor area. There we go. Okay, next step. We're going to take this little motor isolator rubber jabber-do off of there. Set that aside. I don't really see, any issues with it. I think the motor just got tired maybe. So just going to take a look at where the wires are running right now. You got your little wire clip out of the way here. That wire is going back between that little trench there, so you're not going to get it caught underneath your screws. Those are the important things. And then when we go to take it out of there, we just got to watch out for our circuitry boards that are not jostling that around now. So, all right, let's get it out of there. It's just got a little clip on it, or does it just come undone? Yep, there's a little clip. You squeeze on this side here to get her to release. Let's see if I can pick this up. Slide it out from under there. There we go. Yeah, it looks fine. I mean, little wear on the gear or dust and whatnot, but otherwise I don't know what's wrong with it. But let's get the new one now. All right, nice shiny and new here. Probably should clip it in first, but I think I'll try to set it down in here first, I guess. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this in here. We'll slide it under like this. Watch out for the cords now. So make sure it's kind of sitting in that rubber isolator on the bottom nice and snug. And then we'll go ahead and clip these guys together. Same process with your little clip-a-do. Okay. I'll just tuck that down yonder. Make sure it sits properly. This wire here is not behaving. Oh, now circuit board, don't you get in on this. Should be alright. Tuck that back into its little groove. So is this just like chilling? I guess I thought I had a battery backup to this, but I suppose not, because it'd be sitting down there if I did, right? I have to look into that. Maybe I want to purchase a battery for it, because yeah, that might be nice when we're on vacation in case power goes out and stuff. So this is setting weird. I'm going to have to take another look at this. I feel like, I guess that's right. It just seems like it's leaned back there, But I guess we'll know if it engages the thingajob. It's just tilted backwards. I thought that was more straight up and down, but probably not. Okay. That looks pretty good. I think all my wires are out of the way. This thing will get pressed down when I put the back on here. So let's just put my isolator on there. Yep. Okay. And we'll set this down on top. 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 And we'll set this down on top well, now I just gotta set my orb back in there and put the bonnet on and give her a test cycle, I guess. Right? Right. Yeah. Orb jabber-doo goes in. Right. Looks good. I'm just checking that gear back there, make sure it's seated in the back. Sure. Yep. Okay. Bonnet time. Here we go. All right, let me plug her in now. Oops. And then turn her on. Doot. And just gonna say reset, and then I'll cycle it. Watch it like come to a grinding halt or something. Now let's see if we get that torque fault. It'll start flashing the indicator lights over here if it has the motor fault. I think it usually happens right about here or when it gets to that point on its way back. So when it's lifting all that litter up in the air is probably when it's taking the most weight, I suppose. So far so good. We'll see if what happens on the way down. Well, there it is. All right, no motor fault. Did the complete cycle and we're all good to go. So I think that's a success. Of course, I'll watch it in the app to make sure it don't happen and that was the issue. So this is under warranty still. So they sent me that motor free of charge, which was nice. Also, I'll mention, you know, even if you don't have the warranty, you can order that motor on their website. And they do have a really nice PDF showing the steps of how to take it apart and replace it. So, yeah, I encourage you to check that out. I might link it in the description. I don't know. But, yeah, that'll do it. Check us out next time. There's Cat.